Now, I'll loosen that. Let's put the pulley right down and the belt should just lift off. And there we go, the belt's off. I should say the only way you can get to this is from underneath, and you have to remove the belly pan from the front. But that's fairly simple. It's just a heap of whatever they are, 10mm screws and bolts. So next I'll fit the new belt and then we'll tension it up. So there we go, I've fitted the new belt over the top. You do have to slide it over the fan, obviously, but it's very easy. Now I'll fit it up over the top of the pulley and then we'll tension it. Once you've got your pulley in position and over the top of the tensioning wheel, you just want to come up, make sure everything's sitting in its proper grooves everywhere before you tension it. When you're doing up the nut to tension the wheel, just do it by hand. Use the 12mm socket and an extension and just do it by hand. You'll get it almost all of the way, and then after that put the ratchet on it, give it maybe half a turn. You want to be able to still deflect the belt a bit. You don't want it over tensioned because you'll snap it. Now of course you want to check it before you put it all back together to make sure it doesn't squeal. It might need a little bit extra. Oh, a little squeal, we'll give it a little extra. Okay, so I gave it a little bit more. We'll see if that helps. No squeal, we have a winner. Thing to remember when retensioning it is, or messing with it at all, is you have to undo the pulley bolt before you try and tension it or untension it. Otherwise you'll just strip this bolt, because that bolt's done up, it won't let it slide down. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.